We have cloudy skies outside right now and temperatures dipping into the upper 30s across the area, including 39 in Pittsburgh at the airport right now. The air is calm. High today made it up to 47. That's 10 degrees warmer than average, although a little step down from those 50s and 60s that we've had earlier this week. Tomorrow we'll be right back up there into the mid to upper 50s for 2 more days of warmth. But before then, we have to get through some fog and some rain. Right now, we're dealing with a dense fog advisory for the dark gray shaded areas you see here. Washington, Greene, Western Fayette, Western Westmoreland, Monongalia County. That goes until 6 a.m. And you see showers on the radar. South of Pittsburgh, we have more of that moisture trapped at the surface. We didn't have that fog really clear out that much until later this afternoon. So kind of a stagnant air mass there. That's the areas where we'll see that fog still developing, and we already have visibilities down to a quarter of a mile in those spots. From Pittsburgh to the north, a little drier air mass, and then we have this first through from west to east. We'll have a couple more of these move through in about the next half an hour. There's a little slight bit of moisture moving through the Cambridge and Zanesville areas, but the real bulk of moisture with this storm system, the one that we talked about in that segment before this, that's just pummeling portions of the Midwest right now. All of that wet weather is over St. Louis, Kansas City right now, and then the backside of that, snow from Denver all the way up through the Dakotas. All of that travels east overnight, and we get left with a rainy Sunday afternoon and evening. So here's FUTURECAST through the rest of the night. Just a few scattered showers here and there, but it'll mainly be morning. Here's 8 a.m. until that big swath of moisture pushes across the area. Then a little bit of a break around lunchtime before around 3 or 4 p.m. the rest of this moisture pushes through, and that will be the big push of rain from 3 p.m. all the way until around 9-10 p.m. Overnight, we start to get more scattered showers on the backside of this, and by lunchtime Monday, all of the rain is gone. So pretty much a 24-hour event from noon tomorrow till noon Monday is when we'll get the most measurable rain. Behind that, colder air starts to filter in. This is Tuesday morning, so watch what happens New Year's Eve. We now get a chance for some snow showers, especially in the Highlands and up along I-80. There's 7 p.m. and by New Year's Day, those areas could have perhaps an inch of snow on the ground. Right now, we could get an inch of rain between tomorrow noon and Monday noon from Pittsburgh to the north and west. Areas to the south and east, Somerset County down into southeastern Fayette County, more likely a half an inch to about 3/4 of an inch of rain. So more wet weather the farther north and west you are from Pittsburgh. Tonight, looking at 40 for your overnight low, and then tomorrow, warm but wet. Temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. 7-day forecast shows we're looking at 58 tomorrow, 57 Monday. Then the temperature falls, only 40 for New Year's Eve day, 38 for New Year's Day, and warmer next weekend again. So down and then up. And be sure to download our KDKA weather app for your smartphone or tablet. You can get the hour-by-hour forecast. You can see advisories like the fog advisory we have in effect now. Just search CBS Pittsburgh Weather in the App Store and Google Play Store. Interesting forecast.
Well, we've been living on some borrowed time with the great weather we had this past
Yeah.
week. I played 18.
You golfed,
yes,
which
I
is
did.
great. I saw folks playing golf. We are on 48 hours more of borrowed time temperature-wise, and then that's it.
All right, Kristin.